Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel Arcus Studio by Vandana. Today I am making a very easy boho style crochet hair accessory using chain stitches. This project is perfect for beginners. For this project you will need yarn in rainbow colors, a crochet hook suitable for your yarn, a hairband and optional beads, tassels or shells etc. for decoration. Cut yarn about 100 inches or more for each string. Fold the yarn into half to make a double strand. Double strand makes the chains stronger and gives a nice texture. Attach the yarn directly to the hairband using a slip knot. Make sure it is secure before you start crocheting. Now start crocheting chain stitch. Keep your chains loose and even. If you are adding beads or shells, slide them into the yarn and lock them in the place with the next chain stitch as shown here. Repeat the same steps with different colors of your choice. I am using 7 colors to create a rainbow boho look. Once you reach the desired length of each strand, secure the end with knot or tassel and your boho hair accessory is ready. Save this video and try it yourself. Don't forget to comment, ask questions and follow me. Bye. Happy crocheting from Arcus Studio by Vandana.